Yeah, it's your fuck real.
Yeah, no, it'd be real, that, Phil. As if, yeah. What do you call it? Mike uniform.
Yeah, Mike uniform 111.
Yeah, it's a real station, is that? Yeah, I know it is. It's not as if, it's as if.
Well, I might spell it up, but that's what it sounds like anyway. But yeah, well, he was there anyway.
Yeah, his name's as if. As if. You pronounced it like you'd say it in an English way. As if. You know what I mean? It's as if. Alright, go down 545, Phil.
Hey there, Paul.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, I thought it was a wind-up when he said that name out.
No, it's an Asian name, isn't it? As if. Not as if.
I don't know, man. I think he was there. I went in to have a chat with him and come back, and that's what he gave me. Like, I just thought it was a wind-up, so anyway, he went off, so that was it.
Yeah, I just had him calling on triple. Yeah. Gan, yeah. I know it is that.
Yeah, I just out to where he's out and about.
What, a moment?
Yeah, are you out and about?
Yeah. I just wish I'd have got hold of that 102 division.
Yeah, I just well, I'm going to get me computer and have a look on the map anyway, see if it is like that. I think it was just a wind-up, mate.
Okay, Mr. Phil, no problem. It's as if from frequency, and the call sign is 102, Mike uniform, or 111, you know.
Yeah, QSL, mate.
It's all good, Mr. Phil. You got reeled in very good, yeah?
Certainly did, yeah. I went to one look at the new one for one up there, down there and all, like.
Don't forget the name as if, not as if.
I don't know, that's what you like.
Yo, Phil, you know what? I don't know how to get to straight face.
I know.
I will laugh in my bother stuff.
Yeah, when I said when you give that name of as if I thought it was a wind-up.
Oh, I don't know. Did you hear it, Paul?
What, no?
Oh, I just had Phil on the right and told him I was in Kuwait. My name was Asif and I was in Gan.
What were you called?
102, Mike uniform 111.
It ain't even there. Maybe classic, couldn't hear that.
No, 102's Kuwait.
It is Kuwait.
Is it?
Of course you get 104.
148, have you had that again?
No, you bastard. Yeah, mate. Roger. Signal was too good, you were too steady.
What? No, that was another one, wasn't it? This morning.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah.
No, other one was, essentially, you had that history, didn't you?
173.
Yeah, that was you, yeah.
Yeah, I want those.